Spring is officially in the air, and there is no better way to welcome that by painting some beautiful loose cherry blossoms. Today's tutorial is completely stress free and will only take 5 minutes. So grab your favorite paints and a round brush, take a deep breath, and let's paint together. We are starting with the flowers first. I'm taking very watery pale pink and creating some circular oval shapes for the petals. I will be going on with 5 petal flower, and make sure that you keep the flower, keep the painting wet, because afterwards we are going to drop in some darker concentrated pink in the centers. So we want the wet on wet to actually show the magic. I'm going to create few more, and feel free, no stress, just use circular oval shapes and let the petals be in their natural shape, whatever you paint. And yeah, keep them wet because we are going to do wet on wet magic. And here I'm painting another one on the side, so you can really plan out your composition where you want your flowers to be. I'm taking 3 flowers here, and I will also be painting a side view of the flower like this on towards the top of the sheet. And I will also be adding a little tiny bud on the side. So you can choose whatever composition, whatever angles you want for your flower. To give our cherry blossom some generous depth, we need a little bit of contrast. I'm taking a darker, more pigmented pink, and while the petals are still slightly damp, I'm going to drop tiny taps of this color right into the center of pink clusters. It's time to add our branches. The trick to painting organic looking branches is to keep your hand incredibly loose. Do not try to paint perfectly straight lines. Let your brush wobble and break the line as you drag it across the paper. I'm painting the branch in a slanting manner. Add 1 or 2 tiny little branches wherever you feel to fill the space up. After it is done, I'm going to use a green shade, whatever works best for you. I'm using a very dark green, sap green shade, and going to add few little tiny little leaves. Do not go over all over here with the leaves, because we really want the focus on the flowers and not the leaves. So just add just few tiny little leaves just in few spots. On to the final part, which is adding more details to the flowers using this very brownish pinkish shade. And then I'm adding some little circular color to the center, and also I will be splattering some of this color on the sides of this cherry blossom to give a very combined kind of look with the background. This is really optional. If you like it, you can do it. Otherwise, you can skip it, using a very thin brush to add more delicate veins to the petals. Just using very light lines using the same color, and going over each of the petals with very loose strokes like that. And also I will be adding the same color to make the stamens for the center of the flowers. I'm using a black gel pen to make those dots for the stamen, but you can also use the watercolors, just regular watercolors for these dots. But make sure that all of your petals are completely dried, because you do not want the black to be bleeding out, okay? And just like that, in 5 minutes, you have gorgeous, airy blossom branch. I hope this quick painting session brought a little bit of spring relaxation to your day. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button for more such videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and happy painting, everyone.